Good morning, Piper.
Good morning, Dad.
Do you remember how long ago we did a video together?
Yeah, a long time.
I think when you were 4.
I think when I was 3.
How old are you now?
5.
Oh, huge, huge. So we are gonna do a little unboxing video, and somebody sent us a request to do a video of this company. This company it's called Send a Cake. It doesn't mean you can eat the cake. We'll share the cake, okay? But somebody sent us this video and said, check out this packaging. It's pretty cool. Do you want to check it out?
Yeah, let's check it out.
All right. Let's just get right into it. I'm going to get this open, and then I'll let you take it from there. Raw. Okay. Ooh. Oh boy. Oh boy. Hang on. Okay. Just a simple little shipper box with a little card in here about their story. They specialize in gourmet cakes for birthdays and all the occasions, making the world a little sweeter one at a time. How to open, I can't show you this. How to open your box for the best effect. Fully remove the gift box from the shipping box and the plastic packaging. Place the box on a flat surface, keep the sides clear of anything that could obstruct the sides, and keep the box from falling down, and remove the lid. Enjoy by using the knob in a quick motion. I can't read. Enjoy. Okay.
Let's get ready.
Okay, we're gonna get on it. Get up on it. All right, wait, it says something. This knob is falling off here. It says something here. It says, to Brent from the team. Save some candy for your awesome team. I actually think they got this for you. Before we open it, looks like the handle got kind of smashed up.
That's okay.
So it's gonna be okay. All right, wait, don't go yet. So what we need, instructions say you need to do is just to keep your arms, keep everything away from this, and just to pick up on that handle. Ready, set, go. All right. Well, since we can't do it with the handle did break off. It is a little metal. Wait. It's actually on there pretty tight. Hang on. I'm gonna make sure. Okay.
Kind of tight.
Well, yeah. So what I'm gonna have you do is just kind of pick up
Those two.
from those edges there.
Wow, that spit out butterflies.
Oh my God, it's tickled in your hair. Apparently we got some hair with this one. You ripped out some of your hair.
What?
Oh man. All those butterflies were wound up in there.
Yeah. I got this one. This one's still flying. Oh man.
All right, that was pretty cool, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So what is in here is a bunch of these little twisted butterflies with rubber bands.
And a cake.
And a cake inside of like a few, whoa, hang on.
We're trying it out.
Inside of a few different, it's like 3 layers of setup boxes. Oh, and there's a photo in there of Scrappy. And there's a photo here of our family.
Oh, the corn.
Yeah, the corn maze. In here is a cake that is
Pretty yummy, it looks like. With some other candy.
a whole bunch of candy. Oh.
These butterflies keep moving.
A whole bunch of candy. There's just a thermoform lid over a little, it's like a little bundt cake here with sprinkles that's sitting on a tray, and it is hot glued to the bottom here. Wow.
It looks strong.
Yeah. So, what do you think of it?
Good.
Good.
There's a lot of candy.
We got a lot of hair
In that one.
of yours. Sorry about that.
That's okay.
By the way, you got your special pretty color hair in.
Yep.
And what are you wearing today? Elsa. I love it. So in this little box comes a bunch of candy, some butterflies, and a little bundt cake. This brand doesn't really talk at all about sustainability.
With Twix.
Oh, with Twix. Your brother likes Twix. Doesn't really talk at all about sustainability.
We should probably leave those for him.
Okay, sounds good. So we're not even going to really address sustainability. This is really a brand that's all about experience. This experience does come at a price. I think this little box delivered with this little bundt cake here was like $60. You are paying completely for the experience and to give a gift. So yeah, I think it's a really cool way to create an experience, and how they've done it with packaging. And I'm not gonna lie, these butterflies are kind of cool.
Hey, I really like these ones the best.
Oh yeah, the ones that look more like butterflies?
Yeah, real ones.
Yeah. We'll maybe box it back up so your brother can try and open it. Sound good? All right, so you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Are you excited to eat the cake?
Yeah.
Yes. Thanks for doing this video with me. If you guys have any other videos or any other packaging or products that we should check out, what should they do, Piper? Should they tell us?
Yeah.
And are you gonna help me with some more?
Yeah.
Good. All right. Thanks for helping.
You're welcome.
You look beautiful, by the way.